this video, we will learn how to enhance our vocabulary by reading book. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Nancy Juliana. So let us learn here word power. Number one word is guest. What do we mean? Person invited to visit is called guest. Meal. The food itself is called meal. Furniture. Chair, table, beds, etc. are called furniture. Garden. A piece of land where flowers and vegetables are grown is called garden. Always remember, first point, we should help our parents at home. Second, children should do small jobs. Third, children should entertain guests at home. Fourth, children should keep the house neat and clean. Fifth, parents feel happy when their children help them. If you want to learn more advanced English, then you can follow to my second channel, Learn English with Nancy Juliana. And also you can follow me on Instagram. In description, the link is given below. Go and check it. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that we come up with more boosting information. Till then, take care and bye-bye.